Welcome to our daily market update. Today we dive into the latest moves across Forex and crypto markets from the Japanese yen to Bitcoin. We break down the numbers, highlight the biggest gainers and losers, and explore what these shifts mean for traders and investors. Forex market highlights. USD JPY traded at 160.89, down 1.67 points or 1.03%. This decline shows continued yen strength linked to safe haven demand. GBP USD stood at 1.3362, gaining 0.0085 or 0.64%. Sterling rise reflects optimism in UK markets tied to stronger economic data. USD TRY was at 46.6953, up 0.0622 or 0.13%. The lira remains under pressure, highlighting Turkey's inflation challenges. USD CHF fell to 0.8022, losing 0.0074 or 0.91%. The franc safe haven appeal is evident here. USD CAD traded at 1.4184, slipping 0.0031 or 0.22%. Oil prices often influence this pair, so traders watch energy markets closely. Cross-currency movements. Euro JPY was at 184.19, down 0.74 or 0.4%. Yen strength continues to weigh on cross pairs. AUD USD traded at 0.6930, up 0.0038 or 0.55%. Commodity demand supports the Aussie. NZD USD rose to 0.5706, up 0.0034 or 0.6%, showing resilience in risk-sensitive currencies. Euro GBP nearly flat at 0.8568, down 0.0002 or 0.02%. Euro CHF slipped to 0.9183, losing 0.0023 or 0.25%. Yen crosses. AUD JPY fell to 111.51, down 0.58 or 0.52%. GBP JPY dropped to 214.99, down 0.87 or 0.40%. CHF JPY eased to 200.58, down 0.29 or 0.14%. CAD JPY fell sharply to 113.45, down 0.95 or 0.83%. NZD JPY slipped to 91.80, down 0.41 or 0.44%. Other majors. Euro CAD rose to 1.6235, up 0.0062 or 0.38%. AUD CAD climbed to 0.9829, up 0.0027 or 0.28%. GBP AUD traded at 1.9281, up 0.0019 or 0.1%. Euro AUD stood at 1.6519, up 0.0015 or 0.09%. GBP CHF fell to 1.0718, down 0.0030 or 0.28%. Euro NZD was at 2.0064, up slightly by 0.0004 or 0.02%. AUD CHF slipped to 0.5559, down 0.0023 or 0.41%. GBP NZD traded at 2.3419, up 0.0015 or 0.06%. Emerging market and other pairs. USD INR was at 95.325, up 0.077 or 0.08%. USD SGD fell to 1.2910, down 0.0046 or 0.36%. USD HKD steady at 7.8425, down 0.0011 or 0.01%. USD DKK dropped to 6.5294, down 0.0399 or 0.61%. USD SEK fell to 9.6574, down 0.0710 or 0.73%. USD MXN declined to 17.4592, down 0.0878 or 0.5%. USD ZAR dropped to 16.2336, down 0.1689 or 1.03%. Crypto market update. BTC USD surged to 61,666, gaining 1766 or 2.95%. This rally shows renewed investor confidence. BTC Euro traded at 53,815.7, up 1,228.1 or 2.34%. ETH USD jumped to 1,698.96, gaining 84.42 or 5.23%. Altcoins follow Bitcoin bullish momentum. Deep analysis. Global financial markets are currently experiencing a dynamic blend of resilience and volatility shaped by safe haven flows, commodity influences, and digital asset surges. The foreign exchange landscape reveals the yen as a dominant force across multiple pairs, with investors leaning toward defensive positioning amid global uncertainty. The USD-JPY pair at 160.89 highlights yen resilience as traders seek refuge in stability, while GBP-USD at 1,3362 signals sterling strength supported by economic optimism and relative stability. The lira remains pressured, with USD TRY at 46.6953, reflecting inflationary challenges and policy uncertainty. Meanwhile, USD CHF at 0.8022 demonstrates frank demand as capital gravitates toward low-risk assets, and USD CAD at 1.4184 underscores the correlation between oil cycles and Canadian dollar performance. Cross-currency movements further illustrate the interplay of commodity support and safe haven demand. Euro JPY at 184.19 shows euro softness against yen flows, while AUD USD at 0.6930 indicates commodity-backed support for the Australian dollar. NZD USD at 0.5706 reveals Kiwi resilience in risk-sensitive trading. Euro GBP at 0.8568 remains balanced with minimal movement, and Euro CHF at 0.9183 underscores franc strength over euro positioning. Yen crosses emphasize the defensive dominance of the Japanese currency. AUD JPY at 111.51 reflects yen strength over commodity currencies. GBP JPY at 214.99 shows sterling retreat against defensive yen. CHF JPY at 200.58 balances two safe haven currencies, with yen edging higher. CAD JPY at 113.45 demonstrates sharp yen strength over Canadian dollar, and NZD JPY at 91.80 confirms yen pressure on Kiwi. These movements highlight the consistent demand for yen as global investors hedge against uncertainty. Other major pairs reveal nuanced dynamics. Euro CAD at 1.6235 shows euro advantage over Canadian dollar. AUD CAD at 0.9829 highlights commodity currency interplay with balanced gains. GBP AUD at 1.9281 reflects sterling edge over Australian dollar. Euro AUD at 1.6519 signals euro stability against Aussie GBP. CHF at 1.0718 shows franc strength over pound. Euro NZD at 2.0064 remains steady with slight euro gain. AUD CHF at 0.5559 demonstrates franc strength over Aussie, and GBP NZD at 2.3419 reflects pound resilience against Kiwi. Together these pairs illustrate a complex web of commodity influence, safe haven demand, and regional stability. Emerging market and regional currencies add further texture. USD INR at 95.325 shows marginal dollar gain over rupee. USD SGD at 1.2910 reflects Singapore dollar strength in regional trade flows. USD HKD at 7.8425 remains stable under currency peg influence. USD DKK at 6.5294 shows krone strength against dollar. USD SEK at 9.6574 highlights Swedish krona resilience. USD MXN at 17.4592 demonstrates peso strength tied to to regional growth, and USD ZAR at 16.2336 reflects Rand recovery despite volatility. These movements reveal the balance between regional growth stories and global rise. That wraps up today's market snapshot. We saw strong moves in yen crosses, resilience in commodity currencies, and a powerful surge in crypto. Stay tuned for more update.